Hi there, hope you're well. Today I'm going to do an abstract sort of foresty scene, and I'm going to use KURETAKE paints for the background. So I've got an ecru beige and a greyish blue, and I need to make a full circle here for a moon. So I've got a cup, and what I'm going to do is mix up some paint, this ecru colour. Make sure that it's not very watery, that it's got strong colour. I'm going to paint around the edge of the cup, or the mug. It's not dirty, I don't know what that is, it's just an old mug, this is. So just covering that with paint, looking where I want to put my moon, and I'm just going to press the cup onto the page, and hopefully we'll have a round circle shape left. That's lovely. So what I'm going to do now is get my ecru colour and just paint in where I want the moon to be. I've just been very careful not to go over the edge. Just circle, which I have done just there. I'll just blend that out. Put some more colour in, some more water. I've just got a flat brush, and I'm just going to get some of this watercolour paint diluted a little bit. I don't really want it too strong, this colour. I'm just adding some water into my mixing palette. I'm just going to paint around my moon. Okay, so now I'm just going to drag this colour down. Last bit of colour, filling it all the way down the page. Okay, so it's now dry. I've mixed up some colours, which are flax beige, yellow brown, beige grey, along with some of the blue colour that I've already used. I'm just going to paint some trees using a size 3 brush. Got a selection of fine liner pens, and I'm just going to make some marks on the trees and the plants that you can see. I've got gold, white, black, so anything you've got to hand really, and it'll just detail it out really nicely. So I'm going to just line the page with the black pen, give it a nice border, peel off the tape, and there you have it. Lovely little abstract doodle. Really enjoyed doing that, a little bit different. Took a bit more time than usual, but was really pleasurable. Hope you get to try. Let me know in the comments. Hope to see you soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.